welcome back. I'm going to do another very quick unboxing here. No, most of you don't like it. Some of you love the unboxings. So the main one out. I'm going to do the main one first, guys, which is Evolution circular saw. I do have an Evolution circular saw, and it has came in amazing here for a couple of days work that I used it. I should have used it a lot sooner. Don't know why I didn't pull it out of the shed and use it. I was running about with a handsaw. I thought it'd be more accurate with a handsaw, but the speed that circular saw gave me was unreal. I think the reason I didn't use it is because I loaded it wrong, to be honest. I think I put the blade around the wrong way. But let me get this open, guys, first and foremost. Let's see what we're dealing with here. So, here is a battery powered circular saw going to be used in this house, and really it's going to be up above us, guys, on the floor. This is my plan. It'll be easier than a wired one. There's chance of cutting the wire and stuff as well, so should be that wee bit safer for me anyway. And all I was going to say is the box was dummies, but this thing is really well packed. Straight off the bat, guys. There it is. Still a wee bit of weight to it, but not bad. And looks brilliant, guys. Very similar setup to the one that's got a wire to it, and it has a hoover. The battery goes on the back. So yeah, actually seems to have a better measurement and stuff at the front. But I'll compare them on another video, or I'll put a wee clip of them side by side at the end of each other. And there's like a hoover attachment, guys. So that's brilliant. So that can pull away your dust. Pretty good. Thankfully, got another blade, and this was my issue last time, loading the thing. So here we are, another brand spanking new blade, guys. And again, some instructions which I might need, which is very handy. I did buy plasterboard lift and it didn't have instructions, so guys, instructions are brilliant to get with something that's being shipped out. So I'm going to get the blade on that. Probably won't cut anything with it for a while because of other work to do before we get to this floor, but this is great to have on site and basically ready to go if needs be. Yeah, I'll sort out that blade very shortly, guys. That's the circular saw out. So next up is a jigsaw, guys. Not just any jigsaw, it's a battery powered jigsaw also. So you can see where I'm going with this. This is going to be just that bit easier to work with. What is that? It's almost like a hoover attachment. So again, nice bit of weight to that too, so it's not cheap and flimsy, guys, that's for sure. And yeah, that is pretty nice, guys. The safety button on the side, like a locking button to get the trigger in. So this could also be a big game saver for me, guys. There's a lot of tight areas up there in the cupboards and stuff. Once you get a board in there, I'm going to have to probably cut it in there, or I'm going to have to measure it, cut it and put it in. A lot of awkward stuff. Yeah, so these from Evolution, very thankful that they sent them out. And again, guys, you know, if these are brilliant, you'll see them more often as well, because I have a lot of sort of cornicing sort of things to do, and a jigsaw, a battery powered jigsaw on that there is going to be, it's going to be great for making horsing up, basically. Might sound like gibberish to some of you, but it does make sense to me. And last but not least, 4-amp battery. So that will be enough to power them. I do have, think this is great to have because I have a 5-amp and I have an 8-amp, so now I've got a 4-amp, so I have three good chunky batteries which I can swap around if I'm doing that woodwork with them, I can keep the 3 with them, or maybe keep a 2.5, have a couple of 2.5s as well. I can keep one in the drills and keep all the bigger ones in the saws. I think that circular saw will eat the juice. But yeah, this is great. Not sure what that is. Guys, that came in with a jigsaw. Not really sure. It's almost like a Hoover attachment. Oh, there's something possibly else in there, is it? Yeah, there's an Allen key down in there. Oh. Don't lose the Allen key, guys, because that's going to be needed for the fit of blade, no doubt. And again, here we are with some instructions and a wee set of blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blades in that, guys. And it's showing metal and pipes and everything in the back, so they are multi-purpose blades. So that again, Evolution's definitely trying to think, you know, how can we be a step above the game with these tools that cut. Oh, that's taped on. So there should be guide rail as well to keep it square. I must actually look at the instructions, guys, and make sure that I set it up right. But again, getting blades with saws is really good, guys, because it means you're not having to shop twice if you are buying these and you get blades with them. You know, it means you can just take it out of the box and use it straight away. But yeah, big thanks again to Evolution, guys, and hope you are looking forward to getting these things on video here, as I am, and showing you how good they are, and if I can make a good job of this floor up above. Fingers crossed, guys. So just quickly set up the wee rail there so you can keep things nice and square. That'll obviously go on the end of your board, and you can just rip it right along then. Just put a wee battery in just to have a wee look-see. And again, the Hoover attachment at the back underneath, so it's not even in the way, so I've just pushed it on for now. I likely won't really use the Hoover attachment. I'll just brush up and hoover up at the very end, but I know some joiners working in workshops will have hoses and stuff. But yeah, pretty sleekly designed so far, guys. Again, looking forward to getting this and the circular saw in use big time.
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity.
Like and subscribe to Rack Plastering.